are painting today. We are going to be painting these.
Cool color zone.
And you could buy this at Marshall's, Walmart. Like, there's a lot of places, like the teacher's store.
That's a good place to buy that. Marshall's, Walmart, maybe.
Teacher store.
Yeah. Maybe Chapters or Michael's.
Chapters, Michael's, the craft store. It's over everywhere.
Everywhere.
If you like those videos, make sure you like and subscribe. And let's get to the video. We are going to be starting off with this one. If you can't see it that good, take a look here and back. So I'm going to be starting with yellow. Of course, you guys think I'm going to be starting with yellow. Because I love to put yellow on my stars. Can't really see it. Move you were in the way. You could put your little finger on the little middle star there. If you guys do have it, make sure you make it. Or make a YouTube video of you making it. Make sure you yellow the stars. That's what the star looks like. Now I need this. Here, and that's the first one. You can actually see that they're magnets. I like it. Now we are going to be making the cupcake. That's how they painted them, but I can paint them a different way. And I am going to be using some of these, like this blue one. This blue one is going to go on there. That's silver. And, nope. Yep. And there's the star.
Looks good.
There. I like it.
Let that one dry.
Okay, and now we're going to be doing the cupcake.
Cupcake. What color's frosting going to be?
I don't know.
You don't know.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
What's your favorite color there?
My favorite color is actually purple and blue.
Oh. Well, let's start there.
Good thing they have purple in there. This is like King of bathwater. Like my paper towel.
Oh, need some paper towel. One second.
Just forgot about my paper towel. Daddy will forget everything.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. But not free lunchbox.
Nope.
Because free lunchbox was his favorite when he was a kid.
It's still my favorite.
I know. I want to see it. Good thing we're going next week. Tomorrow.
And that's
To
where
free
we will be
lunchbox.
going tomorrow to our candy review at the free lunchbox.
And we're going to be actually showing you the free lunchbox. What we're actually going to be doing is showing you all the candy we're going to get. Look for the world's largest gummy worm.
And I think
then
there's some little
We're going to
games and
come
stuff
back
in
and
there.
show you and see which ones we like and see which ones we don't like. We're going to get some candy that we did get before, that we did not get before, that we like, that we don't like.
And the best part is, haven't been there for a little while, so there could be some new stuff. So not even I know what's in the store right now. So
Yeah, but he used to when he was a kid because he used to go there every day after school.
so it's going to be a new adventure for both of
For
us.
us.
Yeah,
And I hear my baby brother sleeping.
but I will not be eating the world's largest gummy worm because
Because he doesn't like soft candy without sugar.
ugh,
Yum.
eating sugar worms, literally.
You only like yucky stuff.
No way. I like sour candy.
I like sour candy too, but
Yeah, sour worms. Who knows? They could be getting those right from outside.
you're just like your brother.
Okay, so what do we got? What do we got here? We got
We got a blue cupcake with
blue
purple.
cupcake with light purple in there.
I did dark purple and then I painted over it.
Ooh,
with the
nice.
blue. There.
Nice
Little.
blending. Nice blending. That looks really good, actually.
Well, the water looks cool, guys. Look.
I don't know if I'll be able to see it. Hold on. Let's see. There we go.
Doesn't the water look cool? Yeah, dry. I'm gonna do some pink wrapping paper for the cupcake. There's already some downstairs.
Yeah, I know. I
Oh.
forgot, though.
What?
I gotta go put more up there anyway. Don't worry, guys. The boogers will not be added to the paint. It's all good. No boogers on the paint.
So mine is almost done. I just need a little bit of more pink, not paint,
Pink cupcake.
pink wrapper. For my cupcake. And
Can you put any diamonds on it?
there, I put it pink over the purple, so I didn't get too much boring on the purple. It actually looks good, guys. My baby brother's coming. I know it. I know it. He's gonna be coming down here from his nap. I didn't have a nap. But there is my cupcake. It looks so satisfying.
Can I have a bite?
It looks real. Look.
Say, can little brother have a bite? Because I'm back.
He's back, but tomorrow he will not be in the video because we are going to be going, and he is too young for free lunchbox.
He might be in the candy review, though. He might be able to get a gummy worm.
Yeah, he might be in the candy review, but he won't be in the store with us. I think it's going to be so cool.
The best part is, the store has a million different colors in it. There's so many different candy.
And the whole factory and the inside is made out of candy. Like this little seats made out of candy.
And all the cashiers look cool and they dress up in candy colors.
Yeah, like when you have to watch it tomorrow, okay? There is the cupcake. Show you up closer. So these two. Now you're gonna be making this one. It's gonna be my first time using turquoise today. And later we are gonna be playing Pie Face as a YouTube
Pie
video.
Face later.
Pie Face as a YouTube video. So make sure you watch it later on in the afternoon.
And then I think our next craft video will be after we do our candy review, of course, because I'm getting hungry for candy. But we will be making plush pillow tea. That's what we're going to be making, guys.
Yeah, and then after
Keep
this,
comfortable at home when you go to bed and play with your new pillow.
make sure after this one you watch the Pie Face video.
Because the little brother's getting pie in the face.
Yeah. But it's actually just whipped cream. Don't worry if you do have it at home.
Or you're allergic to pie. You can use whipped cream or shaving cream.
Because that's what we're actually going to be using. So make sure after this one you watch the Pie Face video. I'm so excited, but I'm going to be changing from this shirt to a different shirt because this is actually one of my favorite shirts. And little brother is in the way for Spider Baby. He wants to do Spider Baby like in the last video. He will be doing that a couple of times in the videos.
Little brother likes to pop in and say hi.
He likes to pop in and say hi. And these are my YouTubers, not his YouTubers. And we are going to be actually putting my baby brother on a diaper box. So make sure if you have a baby brother or sister, make sure you get those kind of diapers.
On a diaper in a box, we can put him on a diaper box and he can wear his own brand.
And he can wear his own brand. The best. He's going back up for now while I finish this painting. So if you guys actually do have this, then yeah, make sure you guys paint it the same way I did. I never used orange. I wonder what it looks like. Some orange in the bowl with the little show. With the little bowl with it mix it in the dough. Never think sorry because Mr. Scary is never gonna be really scary. Now I need a little bit of purple. Daddy! Daddy!
Yeah?
The power's back!
Oh, nice. Well, look at that, guys.
Look at that! The power's back! If you're today
back on.
home, look, the power's here.
So, to be 100% honest, today this video is being made while we should be at school, but because of the rain last night, because of the storm, all of our
We
power went
didn't
out.
want to go to school.
We were sleeping in the dark. We had no breakfast to eat this morning because all the power was out. Couldn't cook eggs and bacon. So we decided to stay home, bring some fun to you guys,
Yep.
show you some cool arts and crafts, and let little brother get in on the fun.
And we are going to be making two today, Pie Face and this one.
Yeah.
You want to be in the Pie Face video? The Pie Face is actually going to be me and Daddy. So, no.
Little brother got a hold of the paint. Let's go, little brother.
So yeah, I hope you liked this video.
Yeah.
And if you forgot where it was from, it is actually from our source. If you make a YouTube video too,
Don't forget to check your local toy stores because your local toy stores might have it as well.
if you're in a toy store and you're watching stuff while your mom and dad are looking for stuff, make sure you ask them for this, the best toy in the universe. Or to make a YouTube video. Bye. Just kidding, we're not going to buy. That's my dad's laugh. Forever. Last night, if you watched it, our YouTube video, that was actually fun. Did you like the colors? If you did, make sure you did comment. Because if you didn't, I'm gonna get mad.
You can't tell people if they don't comment, you're gonna get mad.
I was kidding.
If you don't comment below, I'm gonna get mad.
You're gonna get mad.
I said I was kidding. I said I
No.
was
You
kidding.
can't tell people.
But if you do comment, there is a chance you could win one of the arts and crafts prizes that we are working on. So don't forget, subscribe, leave your comment, tell us what you think.
And I did that. I was joking.
And she doesn't get angry often, but when she does, she's a little monster. So let's not wake the monster. So everybody comment to win your free prize.
And his free prize is this because he loves feet.
Ooh, feet.
Whenever he sees my feet, he goes, feet!
No, the free prize is one odd baby sock from little brother.
No, it's actually, to get a box for one of these or from Santa.
So yeah, like I said, if you comment below, maybe there's a chance you can win a prize for one of the arts and crafts that we've previously worked on in one of our videos. And who knows, probably even get a chance to pick which one you like.
Let's see if he can get 2 likes.
Just want two?
Yeah.
All right.
Because remember, there's going to be more people watching this.
True. And then 2 turns to 4, and then 4 turns to 8. Then 8 turns to the whole world doing arts and crafts, huh?
Yeah.
That's a pretty colorful pony. I like it.
Thanks. I'm going to color over the paint so it looks so cool. I made some more blue. My baby brother's always in the YouTube videos because he doesn't really have that much stuff to do. But I make YouTube videos. So that's why he drops by to come and see hi. And there's the unicorn. Let's see if we can make it stand up. These are little magnets.
You wanna introduce me?
Yes. That's my stepmom.
What you painting?
I'm painting the unicorn.
Ooh.
Rainbow. Wait, no, that's the wrong color.
Okay.
It's red when there's no red. It's supposed to be red, orange, yellow, blue, purple. But we can start with orange today. I'll try to do the real rainbow. But today, it's gonna start with orange. There is no real rainbow. You can make the rainbow however you want. Whatever you want. Yellow. That's what my baby brother was watching, Abo. There's this little furry monster with red fur. ELM. I actually have the fairy left. This is the only one left. And
Did you want me to? See what this is? It's upstairs.
if you're wondering, since there's no white, what color the cloud's gonna be, they're actually blue. That's my rainbow right there. Not that. We need some purple. Purple, purple, purple. Okay.
One kitten cat?
Almost. Just
Almost?
one more fairy.
One more for you? Alright. Well, it's a good thing you're almost all done because it's time to eat soon now that we have power and we can finally cook some bacon and eggs.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for anybody who doesn't like bacon and eggs, but bacon is so yummy.
760.
I need some yellow for the fairy's hair.
My smells like
I want to see how they made this.
4 something.
Okay,
Yellow hair?
because there's no blonde.
Oh, cool.
Now I need some purple. Okay, stop.
And this is our special guest today.
Okay, that's not our guest.
Why isn't he? He likes art. Hi everybody, this is Max. He's our special guest today.
Yeah, and his brother is not here.
No, his brother's eating food.
His brother's over there, Odie, eating food. Max, meet the YouTubers.
Hello everybody, my name is Maxie. Big fluffy cat. Wow. Say hello everybody.
Hello, hello, hello.
It's moving in my face.
Big fluffy.
Oh, and Maxie ran away.
And he ran away.
That was our guy Max.
That was our cat. And want to see our other cat?
Back up here.
This is, that's Max. And
This is his little brother.
want to see his little brother?
He's got the white paws. Hi everybody, I'm Odie.
He's our other cat. They look a lot alike, but they're actually different.
One's the old guy.
One's
One's the
the-
young guy.
One's 6, which is my twin if I was a cat.
Same age, same birthday, and her little kitty she got on her other birthday. So everybody was bought on the birthday day. You know what I had to buy you on your birthday?
What?
Diapers. Because it was the first day you were born. We had to wrap your little butt cheeks up.
Daddy, come back in this YouTube video. You're one of the YouTube kids.
I'm back.
If you want to help me with this one, or you want to put some diamonds on one,
All right. I'm gonna
sit
put
down
some
and do
diamonds
some.
in. And then I will put
some diamonds on them, and then he will show you actually a green diamond on the cupcake. That looks cool. Wait, I did forget something on the cupcake.
Some glitter.
Some glitter.
Some glitter glue. Everybody needs a little glitter glue.
Okay, now you're speaking in the Irish accent.
You need a little glitter glue. It's a pretty nice day. Shine bright, everybody. Shine bright. Okay. That's enough glue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at all the glue. Oh my gosh. So much glue.
Oh my gosh.
She's going crazy with glue.
That looks like slime. Like some pink gluish slime.
You're eating that one.
No. It's the cupcake. Does that actually look like some slime?
Yeah. Can I finish decorating it?
Yeah.
See that? That's how gross it was. She's even choking. And that's how I feel about gummy candies, really. Like they get in your mouth and they wiggle around like real worms. And only people who go fishing every day eat real worms.
Like my
Grampy
grand-
Randy?
Yeah.
Were you just gonna say that?
Yeah.
I thought so.
I was like, Grampy.
Yeah, Grampy Randy. Her Grampy drives motorcycles and
It goes fishing.
Goes
and
fishing.
Plays with her dog. Babysits more dogs. Takes Miley to doggy daycare.
and drives around on the horse a little bit
Yeah.
till his butt gets sore.
Yeah.
He eats worms because he fishes. So that means when she goes to her Grampy Randy's, she eats worms too.
Oh, guess what? Me and my dad love to eat ants.
Yeah, they're good. High
They're
in
good.
protein.
They're protein and good.
Yeah, a little bit of fiber. They're kind of sour, crunchy, but you know, summertime ants, best ones. Stay
Best.
away from the fire ants though,
Yeah.
because that's like eating like an extra hot taco. And
That's like, yeah.
if you don't like spicy
Like
stuff,
one of
stay
those
away from
spice
fire.
Doritos.
Who knows?
Don't never eat a bullet.
Maybe when the summer rolls around, we'll get a few ants and she'll crunch them up.
And never eat the bullet ants.
Nope, no bullet ants, and chocolate covered beetles are definitely recommended.
Yes. Just because we love eating bugs doesn't make us gross.
No, bugs are good for you. Actually, in some chocolate bars, they put spider legs for proteins. Some other chocolates and candies, they use different colored bugs for flavoring and coloring. So we all-
And did you actually know that we are gonna make one of our own chocolate covered ants for in one of our YouTube videos?
And another cool bug fact, while we're talking about bugs. Oh, there's my rainbow that I put some jewelry on. Looking good. But another cool bug fact. In a
I think I
lifetime-
smell chocolate bugs.
In a lifetime, they say we all eat at least 8 spiders while we're sleeping.
I smell chocolate bugs. Do you?
Alright, guys. Well, don't forget to tune in next time, because next time we're doing the candy review. We're going to be eating lots of candy.
And make sure you stop in later to see the pie face.
Yeah, because I'm going to win definitely, and she's going to have pie all over her face, and you guys don't want to miss that.
I play pie face, so I'm not really scared. Because I play it every
She's not
night.
scared to lose, so we're going to watch her get pie on her face.
And I decided.
Alright,
Because
guys.
then I get to eat whipped cream.
Have fun. See you later.
And we're actually going to be doing it in a couple of minutes after this.
Alright, peace out.
Peace out. Bye. Fuck you.